At the top of this hour, we're getting some breaking news from Uttarkashi, where rescue operations continue in Dharali. Over 1,126 people were stranded, who have been rescued by the officials, and 5 deaths have been reported in the tragedy so far. Over 100 people still missing after the tragedy in Uttarkashi. And this is the breaking news that's coming in. The rescue operations continue in Dharali. Over 1,126 stranded individuals have been rescued by the officials. 5 deaths have been reported so far in this tragedy, whereas 100 people still remain missing after the tragedy in Uttarkashi.
Out of 9 bays, it is a 90 feet triple single belly bridge. 7 bays of triple single have already constructed. 2 more are remaining. Take 1 hour for each bay. 2 more hours of construction for 2 bays. Bridge is not constructed. Out of 9 bays which we have to construct and triple single configuration, we have constructed only 7 bays. Now this touchdown is very critical. This tipping is very critical. Before this tipping, there is every likelihood that the bridge can topple down. Now that the bridge has reached the other side safely, now this bridge is totally safe. There is not even a single iota of chance of this bridge getting toppled down.
These are the last few moments when this bridge is touching the other side. As you can see, the army and the BRO team are giving it the final push. The bridge has already touched the other side. It is the last bit that makes it stable and ensures that it is ready to take on any weight that is put onto it. The capacity of almost 50 tons. These big machines, JCBs, road cutters, they will all be moving over this bridge. So it's ready now to take on all the load that is put on it and take it to the other side. Finally, the connection is through.